You can call me stupid, listen, you can call me sheep. You can say I'm lazy, you can say I'm weak. You think that using her would get to me, and if you're right then you're in trouble deep. 'Cause I won't break, no I know I won't wait. You're in trouble deep. But when it comes to her, you better keep it sealed. Don't you dare say a single word, or I will strike you where it feels. You think that using her would get to me, and if you're right then you're in trouble deep. 'Cause I won't break, no I know I won't wait. You're in trouble deep.
Hey YouTube, Dan Peters here. So it's the next day, and I'm sorry I didn't get this on camera, but I wasn't sure how it was going to turn out. So I actually plastic welded this with a butane torch, and you wouldn't, I mean, unless you looked really close, again, this is before I sand it down. This is just, I refined it and took as much off. Let's see, so it's that torch right there, and it has like a flathead screwdriver kind of tip. And I was able to do a pretty decent job. Again, this is my first time plastic welding. You can really see it. And I don't know if this was a smart thing to do or not, but let me see, where can I find it? I was actually using, because I have a bunch of them from Harbor Freight, a Bondo scraper. And I cut it up, and I just slowly put it in to, you know, where it was kind of uneven, and that's how I got this. So again, this was completely separated. It wasn't even attached anymore. I think it came out pretty well, if you ask me. I'm definitely surprised. I'm definitely gonna, well, yeah, this should be fine. Putting a lot of, look at it, it's not going anywhere. But I am going to actually reinforce it here. So, you know what I'm going to do? How I do this. So, there we go. Hopefully you can all see it. If I don't burn myself. Let this warm up. And also make sure that tip is tight. First, I just pretty much go over it. Now what I do is just take a little bit of this out. We're just going to melt it right into there. Hey YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters here, back again. I don't know where it got cut off. I didn't realize my camera had died. But yeah, basically, that's what it looks like. I hope you were all able to see me actually plastic welding it though. Huge difference in how it's going to hold. I was even able to fill in most of the holes that were over here. I could even... Hey, wait, let me fill up my torch and I'll show you all how I do it.
How do we get this low? You come over and we start a fight. Never know who's wrong or right. Feel nothing when you go. I know it's not intelligent, drinking for the hell of it, but that's irrelevant now. We should talk about us. How come we're holding on? Cause really I don't see the benefits now. When you've broken my trust, so I just wonder, why do I fall back to you? Really nothing I can do about it. Why do I fall back to you? It's like you're a drug to me, I can't quit. It's not like we're still 22, trying something new, just to pass time. I don't think that we ever could work this out. None of it makes sense, there's no reason why I still fall back to you. I should probably let you go. I know I can be cynical, make everything difficult, but it would take a miracle now to fix the problems. How come we're holding on? Cause really I don't see the benefits now. And you've broken my trust, so I just wonder, why do I fall back to you? Really nothing I can do about it. Why do I fall back to you? It's like you're a drug to me, I can't quit. It's not like we're still 22, trying something new just to pass time. I don't think that we ever could work this out. None of it makes sense, there's no reason why I still fall back to you. Why do I fall back to you? 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 Why do I fall back to you?
Do whatever you want, I'll settle for nothing, as long as we can keep the fire. I'll do whatever you do, follow you anywhere, if our chances are getting brighter. But I want you to know, I can't help but fight this feeling. I want you to try. Imagine living without it, so let's go. We're fighting for, you know, I've been standing right next to you, next to you. Oh, I know it won't be easy, but it's true. We will regret what we didn't do, what we didn't do, what we didn't do. I know you're feeling it too.